My premium Sonicare 9300 finally reached end of life after 5 years. Instead of buying another expensive toothbrush, I actually bought the cheapest Sonicare model, or one of the cheapest ones they have right now. Stay tuned to find out why. So after 5 years, this toothbrush will no longer hold a charge. That is what happened to the last one I had as well. Whereas the battery originally lasted 2 weeks, now it only lasts a day or two before dying. Total charging time is 24 hours, so you can see it becomes a hassle really quick. While researching a replacement, I realized that I never really used all the features of this toothbrush. This one has 3 levels of intensity. It has a clean, white, gum health, and deep clean mode. It's hard to see there, but it would light up if it had battery. Honestly, I rarely switched the modes. I just stuck with the default one. More importantly, I never really used the app more than the first week. It was more of a novelty. Honestly, I'm one of those people who at night, I just want to brush my teeth and be done with it. I don't need to play around with an app. I just need to get the job done. Smart features aside, this has a pretty big footprint. As I mentioned earlier, there is a charging glass. You will put the toothbrush in here to charge it, and then here's the stand once it's fully charged. As you can see, both of these get really dirty, usually even more disgusting than this. I'm talking about really nasty, but it had to be somewhat presentable for this video. There was also originally a traveling case, which probably like most people, I lost it. I don't even know where it is. In summary, I paid for features I never really used. Honestly, most electric toothbrushes nowadays are pretty good for what they are. Anything is better than a manual toothbrush. When it comes down to it, the modern cheap version, the $40 4100, has most of the important features of the most expensive models today. It still has the pressure sensor, it has 2 levels of intensity, brush head replacement reminder, it has the same 14-day battery life, the same 2-minute smart timer. If you just want clean teeth, this will do the job. It has most of the functionality that you need. Now, if you love tech, like using apps, or have a specific gum or whitening routine, the premium features of the 9000 line of today may still offer you benefits. It really depends on what your needs are. In my case, I just need to get the job done. Overall, I like the smaller profile of the newer model. I rate this a 4 out of 5. I deducted 1 star because there's no power adapter to plug this into a wall. In my situation, I didn't downgrade my dental health. I simply downgraded the unnecessary features and saved some money while doing so. If you want the same toothbrush, I will paste the Amazon link down below. To be transparent, I do get a small commission for any sales, which will help this channel grow and reach out to more people. If you have any questions or comments, or just want to start a discussion, please do so in the comments below. I know there's going to be some strong opinions on this one. Aside from that, I hope this helped someone today, and I will see you all next time.